So, I was just having one of those moments where I got to camp and I wanted to tell a story. But there's nobody to tell a story to. Because there's nobody here. Yeah, and look, here's my tarp. And there's my pack. And the trailer and sleeping pad and the bike. So, I ride all day in this super gray, looked like it was raining in spots all around me, not a drop all day. And then I get here, and as soon as I get here and get the trailer opened up, because I was hurrying, I rode right up here and I stopped and I flung open the trailer and I started getting, as soon as I got the footprint out, as soon as I got it out, it started raining. It started raining. So luckily there's all these awesome trees, and this is my Mobius curve lean-to. Not really, I just thought it's my best one so far. But this is why I started it off the video here, because it's dry. You can see the amount of rain that fell. It was just enough, and it's not raining now that I got the tarp up. It was like universe knew just right when to joke at me. And I think campsite 22 agrees with me. Anyway, yeah, I know, being strange, but I rode. It was a horrendous. You guys probably don't want to see me. I don't know. Yeah, it's so weird. Today was a horrendous day. The wind, I don't know what it peaked at. We'll have to look in the records, but it was a lot. But it actually never stopped me. It didn't bring me to a stop, so I guess it couldn't have been that much. So either that or my legs or just that much anti-headwind. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start setting up the tent now. So I doubt you guys want to watch that. And you can't, because I'd have to set you in the rain. And I already discovered, actually, I'm going to look at them now. I can't see them now. There's two tiny little cracks in my screen. It appears they are just in the glass screen protector, but I'm gonna have to look closer. Crossing my fingers, they're just in the protector. It looks that way, but anyway, okay. See ya.